Okay, hi guys, Richard Jackson here. Let's do trade of the day. Let's quickly have a look at the news and see what's going on. Wall Street, there's 104% tariffs on China. It's just a massive. I've even just read this now. Bill Ackman, lays bare, big fail on Trump. They were all on long. That's why we've got a huge pullback. So smart money gets it wrong. Okay, look at that. They even get it wrong as well sometimes. But let's have a look at huge volatility still in the market. We had more of a move to the downside. Let's have a look at what's going on our Discord. Anybody want proof to see our trades and what we're doing? You can come into this Discord for free, watch what we're doing. There's a couple of trades there, break even there. I've reversed the trade up there, another 100 points on that one. Some losses in there as well. There's an 80 point loss there by Nicholas, but we discussed that, how we could do that better. 57 there. Everybody's still making money, along with controlled losses as well. 42 on Cam there as well, and another 30 points there. So it list goes on. Let's go over to our platform here. So I'm going to take this trade in here. This was a nice trade for us to take. This is down on the 1 minute chart again because we are still in high volatility, and it'll just tick along way too quickly for us. So I'm going to push this back up into our 40 lot mark in here, so you can just get a taste for what we kind of expect. Now, we don't really show off, as you've seen on our Discord, we don't really show off P&Ls, okay? I find that cheap, and it's not really going to teach you anything, okay? We are not these guys on Facebook showing off P&Ls, right? Just to get you all, excited over money, because that's not what you should be thinking when you're trading. What you should be thinking is, how to control your risk, how to let your profits run, how to read the market properly. And we always discuss in points rather than in dollars, okay? Because there is a psychological barrier as well. There's a behavioral barrier when, you get FOMO, fear, all those sorts of things that will affect your trading. And we go above and beyond to keep guys in a space where they are executing with high level performance. Okay, so let's just tick along with this so you can just get a taste of what we're doing. Okay guys, all right, here ticking along. So the sell opportunity comes in just a second. We've got break of structure in there, pull back up into here. I've put 80 lots in there by error, but we're looking for about the 100 point mark down to the downside. Controlled stop loss, okay, and then it should come down and pick us up, okay. And this is part of exactly how we trade our system, right? We're very patient with what we're doing, and we are looking for controlled risk and letting our profits run, not getting too greedy, and making sure that we are psychologically stable and our behavior is of a professional level. Okay guys, I'll see you for the next one.